I'm in beautiful Damascus, Virginia for Appalachian Trail Days 2022. I'll tell you what, it's a little bit different format this time on Adventure Lane, but don't you worry. I got all sorts of excitement for you. Come check it out.
The Appalachian Trail's been coming through here since the Appalachian Trail's been in existence, I believe. So, you know, it's a very important event for the town.
Trail Days has become very important to the community of Damascus, Virginia. Every year, we just have so much fun.
The trail community in general is one of the most cohesive, friendly groups you're ever going to run into.
So now I'm staying at Crazy Larry's hostel only because I've got all the camera gear because I'm shooting Adventure Lane. Normally I'd be over at Tent City. Now Tent City is the coolest place ever. And when I say Tent City, that's exactly what it is.
Came out here to really find myself and let loose. Favorite part of the trail right now is Max Patch and catching the sunset. I backtracked 3 miles back to go catch it. Wonderful place if you're ever up there. I came to Trail Days because once I saw my first YouTube videos, it looked like the funnest time around.
Damascus is a really, really nice town, very hiker friendly. Never had an issue. It's just always been a blast.
First Trail Days and loving it.
After going downtown, there's always live music. 7 Trails always puts on a great show with great bands, and then you can bounce over to Tent City. If drinking a 12-pack of beer at Tent City is too much for you and you need something more family-like, well, don't you worry, because they've got the Creeper Trail here, and man, my kids and I love the Creeper Trail. As much fun as I'm having at Trail Days, the highlight had to be running into Zach Davis and Juliana Chauncey from Backpacker Radio. It just made my weekend.
Trail Days is awesome. You know, it's great to see everyone coming together, getting all the hikers in one place, all the vendors, everyone that really makes the trail community.
This is the ultimate trail festival. It's just literally the ultimate reunion for AT hiker trash, and it warms my heart every single year.
I had such a great weekend here in Damascus, Virginia. Virginia is for lovers, but I'm in love with Virginia. Until next Trail Days 2023, I'm Garrick, and this is Adventure Lane.